If you use your computer for anything even remotely important, it is crucial that those files are protected. Well, today we're going to talk about the importance of backing up your data, and we'll show you a couple of ways of doing just that. So stay tuned. Whether it's pictures, music, movies, whatever, your data is precious, and the consequences of losing it to data loss or corruption can be devastating. The best thing any PC user can do is actually to store a copy of the important stuff on a drive that's not attached to your computer. In other words, you should be backing up your data to an external hard drive. This is the simplest and easiest way to get all of your system information and your important data backed up. To do this, start by plugging your external drive into your computer and make sure that Windows recognizes the new device. Next, click on your Start button and start typing Control Panel. Now, press Enter. In the Control Panel, select System and Security. From here, click on the option labeled Save Backup Copies of your files with File History. Then, select System Image Backup in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, do you see the button that says Create a System Image? Click it. With the radio button set to on a hard disk, select your external hard drive from the list and click Next. Finally, click Start a Backup. Again, this is the most straightforward way of backing up your important data. Now, if you have multiple computers at home or if you do run a business, I highly recommend a network attached storage solution or NAS setup. Now, to be honest, if you're going to go with that kind of a solution, more than likely you're going to have somebody who's experienced with these things actually get it configured and set up with your network. If not, if you do have one at home, or if you're wanting to save a little bit of money with your business, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make a follow-up video. Also, in the description below, I'll leave a few links to some external hard drives that I recommend using. Well, that's going to do it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you got some value out of this video, go ahead and toss me another like. If not, you know what to do. Go ahead and get subscribed to the channel and make sure to click on that bell icon so you don't miss your weekly tips and tricks.